Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Gmail not working on your PC after a recent update, don't worry. We have a few simple steps to help you get back on track. First, refresh the Gmail webpage. Sometimes, a quick refresh can resolve minor glitches. To do this, just click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can often restore functionality without any further steps. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Gmail to function properly. From the notifications area on your taskbar, click on the network icon to ensure you are connected to a reliable network. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try switching to a different network if available. If refreshing and checking your connection didn't help, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve loading issues. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser window, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that opens, make sure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything out. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can make a significant difference. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. This can refresh system processes that may be affecting Gmail. By following these steps, refreshing the web page, checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache and cookies, and restarting your device, you should be able to resolve most issues with Gmail not working on your PC after an update. If you continue to experience problems after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you get back to your emails smoothly.